All right, so this is problem number uh 4. No, problem number 3 under Boyle's Law. On page 13. Okay, so again, if I did not tell you it was Boyle's Law, and so you're not sure exactly what you're going to use, um, you're always going to start with what is given to me in the problem. All right, so as we read it, a weather balloon has a volume 1,750 liters. Okay, so this is volume. All right, at 103 kPa. So this is considered pressure. All right, so right now we have volume at 1,750 liters, and we have pressure at 103 kPa. Okay, then it says the balloon is released into the atmosphere. The highest point above the ground, the pressure on the balloon is 35 kPa. So this is another pressure. So I have a second pressure, all right, and that is at 35 kPa. All right, then it's asking me what is the volume. All right, so volume, V, that's my new volume. Okay, so I am going to, that's my question mark. Okay, that's what I'm trying to solve. All right, well, I know that pressure and volume, they're inversely related. I know as one goes up, the other goes down. So and I spelled that wrong, but inversely, okay, one goes up, the other goes down. So if something's inversely related, they have to be multiplied together. All right, so that's how I get V1 times P1. On the other side, it's going to be exactly the same thing. So if something's inversely related, they're multiplied. Okay? Well, I realized in this problem that I am trying to get my V2. So I'm going to divide both sides by P2, so V2 is by itself. All right, so I'm going to get V2 equals V1 times P1 all over P2. Okay? And so now once I get this, so this is my first step, second step, plug in your numbers. All right, so my V1 is 1,750 liters. Okay, my P1, so these are my ones over here, because that's what I'm starting with, was at 103 kPa. All right, and I'm dividing it by my P2, so 35.0 kPa. Well, guess what? The kPa, those units cancel out. We're left in units a liter, which is perfect. All right, and so when I plug this into my calculator, okay, I get 5,150 liters, okay? And that should make sense. My pressure is decreasing, so my volume should be increasing, which it does. So I am good to go. So I know I've done it right, okay? So again, make sure you write down your variables that you have. What am I looking at? If things are inversely related, they're multiply, all right? Rearrange your equation, plug in your numbers, give me your final answer, okay?